How's it going, guys? Welcome back. And in this video, I want to show you guys how you can get yourselves a Surfshark VPN free trial. So unfortunately, there isn't really a free trial. Now you will be billed for, let's say, your first month or first kind of plan that you pick, whatever plan you pick, you will be billed for it. But if you'd like, on the 29th or 30th day, you'll actually get your money back completely if you ask for it. So let's say you continue with your trial subscription. If you could just continue with the subscription without canceling it, they'll start billing you from there. If you do cancel it, they will give you back your money fully within 2 to 4 business days, usually, depending on how you paid for it. So yeah, if you're interested in Surfshark, be sure to check the link in the description. I'll be sure to give you guys some discounts in order to hopefully save you guys some more cash. If you're just going to try it for 30 days, then you can get the 1 month plan. You can get the 1 month plan only and just cancel it. But if you're interested in getting the, let's say, 2-year plan here, be sure to check the link in the description below. It'll take you to a great discount, such as the one you're seeing right now. So that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day.